So hey guys, how's everyone doing? So I just picked up a new product here. I thought was pretty neat. It's a real simple addition, but I think it makes a nice little tie-in here. So if you remember, I did this gloss black here. Well, you notice anything different here? What I did, I added a little gel emblem here, if you can see it, to this button here. If you remember before, it was all aluminum here and it had a little A. Here's a before and after here, I'll show you. So it's really nice. Now it has like a little softer touch to it. And also it'll protect the button. If you have hand sanitizer, that kind of stuff, it has a tendency to want to etch this trim. So it protects it. And another thing I like about it is what I've noticed with this is when it's sunny out, it just glares like crazy, this button, because it was all aluminum in the middle. So this removes that big amount of glare. And the nice thing is, if you look at, show you here. The white light will still shine around it. Now it does cover up the white that shines through in the middle, but it still has a nice glow. I'm trying to get it to, if you can see it. Let me turn the light off. Okay, here's how, let me see if I can kind of cover it up so you can see it. You see there? So it still has a nice glow around it because it's just cut to cover the center here. It's really a nice addition. I like it. Like I said, it ties in to the black, the gloss black here, and then the silver A. And not only that, what I like is it cuts the glare, because believe it or not, this little button, at least in the TLX, glares a lot when it's sunny. It's blinding. So I like that little addition. So if you guys are interested, let me know. I have a few of these right here. I can sell them to you guys. I can set up a link so you guys can pay for them and I'll ship them out to you. Let me know if you're interested. Email me. Here's my email below. Like I said, it's nothing major, of course, but it's a nice little touch. I like it. Kind of cuts some of all this shiny aluminum up. Kind of ties in the gloss black. Okay? So again, just reach out to me. Hope everyone's doing good out there. I appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.